Bismillah. Hey guys, welcome to another video by whbproductions, and today we are going to be making this super cool, crazy glitch animation in After Effects, and it will be a glitch transition so you can use it in your intros and YouTube videos. Yes, exactly, the same type of glitch animation that let Penelope win in Wreck-It Ralph. So if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe for more amazing content, and let's get straight to the video. Okay, so to start off, we are first of all going to enter After Effects, and we are going to open a new composition. So for this new composition, I have the duration as 6 seconds, and the uh, width and height of the composition is 1080 by 1080. But you can select any height or width that you want as per your requirements. Once you select OK, you need to right click over here, and then you need to select a new text layer. So for this text layer, what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to go ahead and uh, write my text over here. So once I have done this, then I'm just going to go ahead and make this centered aligned, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose this and call this text layer. So let's hit OK, and once we have this text layer, then we can go ahead and change the text later. So what we need to do next is go ahead and layer, select a new solid over here, and let's call this fractal noise. It doesn't matter with the color. Select OK, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-compose this by pressing Ctrl Shift C, and let's call this fractal as well. Select OK. So once I double click this, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to import the fractal noise effect. So I have this fractal noise effect over here. I'm going to drag and drop this over here. So for this noise type, I'm just going to select block, and for this contrast, let's select 400, just so we have a glitchy effect over here. And for this evolution, what I'm just going to do is first of all, let's go to transform and select the scale width to 600 and the scale height to about, let's say, somewhere around 40 or 50 is fine. And let's just go ahead and use this evolution. Press Alt and then press this stopwatch for this evolution, and we're going to just add an expression over here, which will be a time expression. Time asterisk 500. Select enter, and then what you're going to see is basically this is going to animate in this effect, which is going to look really nice once we add the glitch. So let's go back to our composition layer, and you can basically hide this layer because we need to create a displacement map on this text. So let's just go ahead and search for displacement map, and let's drop this on our text over here. Let's make these values 0 for now, and let's go ahead and keyframe these values: maximum vertical displacement, maximum horizontal displacement. And another thing that we need to do is just go ahead and select fractal for this. So once you press U on your keyboard, you're going to reveal these keyframes that you placed over here. I'm going to go back at 0 second, and then I'm just going to create this effect over here. Just increase this so that you can see this glitch effect over here. And then when I'm going to go back, then you can see that this returns back to its original position. So before it returns back to its original position, I'm just going to go over here a few keyframes ahead, and then just go ahead and increase this value to 200, around 200 something. So as you can see, we have a short snap over here. And this one is looking really nice. So for this maximum vertical displacement, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go just behind this keyframe, and I'm going to place another keyframe over here, and that around this I'm just going to go ahead and bump this over here a little bit, just so I have this nice glitchy effect, just like this. And this seems really nice. Now for this next part, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and change the text. So I'm going to double click this composition over here, and then I'm going to go at the text layer. So for this text layer, what I'm going to do is just going to split this text at 2 seconds. Control Shift D to duplicate this. And for the second text, let's say we will write life. But you can add any text that you want as per your requirements. And you can see that this text is going to shift. So at around 3 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and split this one again. Control Shift D. And for this text, I'm just going to go ahead and change this to game. Yes, this looks nice. And for this fourth one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and shrink this to at around 4 seconds. So we have 3 transitions over here: live, life, game, and then we can go ahead and add our logo. So this can be a really nice intro title animation for your videos as well. You can add your logo over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this layer and press by holding down shift. I'm going to make this snap at the very end. So this is going to give us this effect over here. Now let's go back to our composition, and then what we are going to do is we're going to just add some markers over here. So as you can see that it is shifting over here. So I'm going to press Shift 1 to add a marker over here. Then at 3 seconds, I know that this shifts again. So I'm going to press Shift 2 to add another marker over here. Then at around this time, where it shifts, I'm going to add another marker. It should be Shift 3. So we are going to add 3 markers over here. And by holding down Shift and dragging this slider, what we can do is we can snap it at this very end. So let's just go ahead and add this first marker, or you can press 1, 2 or 3 to shift between these. I'm going to press 1 and I'm going to appear at this marker over here. So just go ahead and press both horizontal and vertical displacement as 0. Then I'm going to go a little further and then just go ahead and increase this value, a little bit of this as well. Then go ahead and over here, then press 0 once again. As you can see, this is going to give us this glitchy effect over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy these keyframes. Control C, go at the second marker, Control V, go at the third marker, Control V once again. So if you're wondering how I'm shifting between these markers, then it's pressing 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see that this is glitching really nice. By the way guys, if you're liking this video, then please be sure to hit that like button and comment below if you like retro glitch effects or not. Also comment your favorite arcade game that you played back when you were young, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. So once I play this animation once again, then I'm going to see that this is going to the glitches effect is going to happen, and it's going to make the transitions happen. So if you want these transitions to be really fast, then you can select these keyframes over here, press Alt on your keyboard and drag this last one to the left. So as you can see, it is going to shift in a really fast time. So you can do the same with this, but I think it's fine for now. Now we also need to add some glow over here. If you want, then you can just leave this animation as it is, and your glitch effects is complete. But if you want to add some flair to this, then let's go in text and add some glow animation. So once I type glow, I'm going to go ahead and press this and drag and drop this on live. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the retro colors over here. So retro glitch colors, purple mainly, and then some blue. And for this glow colors, I'm just going to go ahead and select A and B. Let's increase the glow threshold and the glow radius as well as the glow intensity a little bit. So let's go ahead and duplicate this, Control D, and as you can see, this is some arcade glitch, arcade glow effect over here. So what I actually did was press just select this, ramp up these properties, and then just press Control D to duplicate this effect, and this has given me a nice glow effect. So I'm going to go ahead and press Shift, copy both of these, Control C, and paste these in the other text layers, second one and the third one. So as you can see, all of our text has had this nice glow effect. If you want, you can also add it to your logo, but it's not going to look that nice. Let's go back in composition and let's see this one effect once again. Wow, this has really turned out to be a really nice arcade glitch animation. So in order to end my composition, I'm just going to go ahead and press N on my keyboard over here to end my composition over here. And this has turned out to be a really nice animation. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more glitch animations. There are a lot of ways where you can animate the glitch, and this was only one way. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next, inshallah.